Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing my recipe for my berry banana chia smoothie. It's all about the chia seeds today, those little seeds. They may not seem much, but they are so mighty and full of nutrients and antioxidants. They're so good for you. Now this smoothie, super tasty and super easy to make. We're going to have 1 cup of almond milk and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Now I do mix in with the chia seeds with the milk and just let it sit for about 5 minutes, just so the seeds can absorb the liquid, and it just makes them nice and creamy and adds to the whole texture of the smoothie. So while that's sitting there, I'm going to add 1 banana, 1 chopped up banana. You can also use frozen banana as well, if you like that chilled feel to your smoothie. And then we have 1 cup of spinach, which is just powerhouse of nutrients. So let's add that to it. And then we have half a cup of mixed berries. So I have strawberries, blueberries and raspberries, just full of vitamin C, full of antioxidants, great for your health. And after this sat for about 5 minutes, we can then add this in as well. We are ready to blend away. So I'm going to blend for about 45 to 60 seconds. That just gives it time to really mix in well together so you don't have any little lumps left in there. So let's make a start. Okay. Such a lovely colour. It's just great to make this. It's so quick and easy, ideal for breakfast, especially if you're in a hurry, or even just as a snack in between meals, or maybe you've just had a workout and it's a really good fuel for your body after you've been to the gym or you've had your workout. Let's give it a try. So good. You've really got to give this a try. So if you enjoyed this recipe, please let me know in the comments below. Let me know if what smoothies you use chia seeds in, and what's your favourite smoothie. Please subscribe to my channel if you find this really enjoyable, and you will be able to get more healthy recipes and tips from my future videos. So thank you for watching, and hope to see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay happy.